1-mile run. James Graham with Smarty Time, a 16th pole finish. And the gate. And they're off. High Quail breaks sharp. On the outside here, Smarty Time going out toward the front. Cheers joins the front ranks as they make their way toward this first turn. They're 5 deep. Holler, High Quail, Blue Cap of Eraser, Cheers, and Smarty Time 5 wide as these maiden milers move around that first turn. Authentique comes up the near side and Handcrafted in the thick of it too. Compact field as they race toward the backstretch. So they're queuing up to take on Holler, who's emerged from out of the crowd in front. Holler leads. Smarty Time is wide as they race onto the backstretch. Eraser close, and in between horses, Cheers right there. Authentique comes up the fence now. 5 furlongs in the first line. Then it's High Quail and Handcrafted. Still a compact field for an opening quarter and 24 and 2. Smarty Time going up to Holler. Smarty Time, Holler on even terms. Authentique holds that rail. On the outside is Cheers. Between horses, Eraser, High Quail, and Handcrafted wide, and now dropping back to last. It's 5 lengths from leader to last as they go into the far turn. Half mile in 48 and 1. Smarty Time just forges in front of Holler, who comes right back on even terms. And Handcrafted looms that green cap. Here's Handcrafted sweeping now for Robbie Alvarado into the final quarter of a mile. Authentique is driven in 4th. Then Eraser, his mate, High Quail, and Cheers is dropped back as they straighten. It's Handcrafted up to the front. 3/4, 1:14 and 2, a furlong away. Handcrafted is in front. Holler, Smarty Time on the outside. Authentique. High Quail is next. A 16 to go. Handcrafted. Handcrafted kept on. Authentique and Holler. Handcrafted. Robbie Alvarado for Neil Howard. Handcrafted by 4. Authentique second. Close for third at the first line. High Quail and Holler.